Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix high on Live 2 game crashing, not launching, not opening, crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. For that, after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements. Here are the requirements. You should check your PC that all these requirements are there or not, and after that launch the game and then check if it's opening or not. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties or click on install files, click on browse. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties and click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check. Next method is to allow high on live to game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you can simply click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game. Now after selecting after selecting, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will search if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After launch the game and then try to play it. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Here you have to check for those apps that is running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus programs. If you are having any antivirus program, then can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game without any further problem. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on yes and wait for it. After it is installed, now close this and restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game and click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and check. If not, next is to install DirectX. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, click on the download option and it will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. Once you install it, log into the game once again and then check if it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall High on Life 2 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC, bring your PC, reinstall High on Life 2 game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can resolve High on Life 2 game crashing, or stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.